Welcome to the Highland Hearing Clinic in Antigonish. On arrival, you will be greeted by one of our friendly receptionists who will register you. You will find out some questions on your medical history and identify any specific problems you might be experiencing with your ears and hearing. You do not need a doctor's referral to book an appointment, and you do not have to bring your health card with you. The audiologist will then greet you and lead you to the consulting room. Our thorough hearing assessments are performed by our audiologists on staff. The hearing test takes 1 hour. The audiologist will review your papers and discuss with you any questions and hearing issues that you have been experiencing. Then the audiologist will have a look in your ears. A rubber plug will be placed in your ear to test the function of your eardrum and the bones behind it. This creates a small amount of pressure in the ear canal and produces some beeps. You will have a seat in the sound booth, and soft earphones will be placed into your ear canals. You will be asked to repeat some words back to the audiologist from time to time. Greyhound, schoolboy, hot dog. You will be asked to press a button when you hear beeping sounds, even if they sound extremely soft to you. Your results will be explained to you and your family members immediately following the assessment. Some people will be referred to other health professionals, such as an ear, nose, and throat doctor, if further investigation is recommended. We might discuss treatment options, such as hearing devices or hearing protection. Just like we have our eyes tested, our ears should also be examined. Many people are surprised by how thorough the hearing exam is. They often wish they had done it sooner in life, like the way they took care of their eye health. A hearing test is useful to compare with future tests and monitor any change in your hearing over time. Hearing loss typically happens very gradually, and hearing loss is often suspected by your loved ones before you even realize it yourself. Call today for an appointment. With locations in both Antigonish and Port Hawkesbury, Nova Scotia, we make it convenient for you. Call Highland Hearing Clinic in Antigonish, 902-863-0633, or Port Hawkesbury, 902-625-0617.